What's up YouTube? What's up everyone? Welcome to Mom's Kitchen with your boys. As you already know if you're watching the channel. Well, I love you, Mom.
Hello everyone, hello friends. Good to see you and happy new month.
Oh yeah, the first match.
Yeah.
I literally forgot. Okay, it's a new month, so going to be cooking something different. But before we show you guys what we're going to be cooking, you know the tradition. You know what we're gonna do. Don't forget, if you love this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. You know, after you check the video out, leave a comment what you'd like to see us do. And yeah, is there anything else I need to say? No. Come on. Okay, so we're going to be cooking what we call our father rice.
OFADA sauce.
Put the right Jim, right? Whoever is editing the video, write it down below so they can read our father rice. Our father sauce. Okay, it's our father sauce. So our ingredients: we have our seasoning, onion, our veggies, peppers. So this is a mixture of pepper. This is bleach palm and locust beans.
Yeah. In here, assorted meat.
Do you know they can see this channel is mostly traditional food because we don't go international, mostly traditional.
Yeah.
Okay. As you've seen the last video, what did we cook in our last video? Oh, pepper soup. And as you can see, ta-da! And yeah, that's all. That's all.
So sorry, it's only Jeff that is dressed with apron today. Today I'm appearing purely African. I'm an African woman, as you can see. So
I always stay with the good.
So we are going to wash the pepper first. So this is the pepper. We're going to blend it. So we'll blend it. After blending it, we'll show you. So these are meats. In here we have different kinds of meat. So now we are going to season. We add this turmeric.
Yeah, that's turmeric.
It's my signature.
Yeah, signature.
Okay. Yes,
that is our
salt.
That's our salt.
Then this is our mix, ginger and garlic. Let me add a little
more.
It's okay. Then mix it like this. Be careful. Just mix it like this. This OFADA. We don't use water.
This father.
This OFADA sauce. This sauce is an old thing that we are used to it. We used to do it. Because all these things we know it before. We used to do it. Cover it. Back to our pepper. So if you are managing this type of blender like me, there's water and pepper. So you just have to use your sieve. So we just turn it in here because we don't need water in the sauce. And you see the way I blend, you see the way
that different texture will get a smooth sauce to be our mother.
Your children. Trust me, the sauce used to be nice. I know it already, so I know how it's going to taste. So now we are about to fry our meat with our bleach palm oil. I don't want too much oil. We grab our meat.
See, we are learning every day.
Yes, every day we learn. That was what I was telling myself this morning. So if you are cooking, you use your wisdom. You put all your mind to anything you are doing, so you will achieve a good result. So I have to fry this. Okay, so this quantity is enough. So as you can see, we are still frying it for some minutes. We will not leave it. We are not frying it dry, just to make it go through the oil. So we're done frying the meat. I'm taking it out from the oil. Okay, so I take the first part. I'm adding the onion.
As you can see, it's achieving the golden brown color. It's looking wonderful.
Please shut up. Let's hear what
Jesus is Lord.
I'm going to pour in the blended pepper mix. You will not kill my this thing today. It's like we don't have oil in here, so don't worry. There's no oil, but If it's on fire cooked, the oil will come out. Oil. Okay. It's okay. So you cover it for about 5. This is, come closer please. You seeing it? This is how it looks. I'm putting in the local beans. Please be careful. Then seasoning. Okay. Little salt. Stir it very well. I like it. There's no oil. But as time goes on, it will bring in that oil on it. Try it again. We leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. Come closer. How will they see it? As you can see, I told you. You see, the oil have already come out. Dear, please bring the meat. Then I from today.
Yes. Okay.
Now local stew wey we dey do before, we know am tey no be today o.
But the meat is spicy.
So now, different type of. So
Now we add our egg.
that's that.
Then we stir. You don't need to bury the egg in right there.
Just like this. Okay.
Sweet.
Jeff, I know you are salivating. All right.
Quite the opposite.
So I will do the eating alone. So guys, it's ready.
Done with the video, we're done with the food. As you can see, this is the sauce.
Your father sauce.
This is the sauce, and yeah, that's just it. We're out of time, so we cannot prepare something and put on top. So just had
but
to
we
just
can use this with rice. We use it with plantain, yam, but actually I'm using it with rice. So that's it. So please try this.
Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell icon so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And yeah, don't forget, share the video, like the video. It helps the video go forward. So people can see it, and they help the channel
Thank you so much.
So anyways guys, that's it for this video. Stay home. No, don't stay home. Go out and eat healthy.
Eat healthy, live healthy. Please.
Go and taste food around
Love
the
you
world.
all. Thank you for my new subscribers. Love you all. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
See you.
Anyways guys, that's it for the video, and
See you in our
catch you
next
later.
video.
Peace.
Bye.